Today we are solving LeetCode 73 set matrix zeros in Java. We are given a matrix and the rule is if a cell is 0, we need to set its entire row and its entire column as zeros. For example, here the cell 1 comma 1 is marked as 0. So now we have to make the entire row 1 and the entire column 1 as zeros. If we just start changing the matrix immediately, zeros will spread everywhere and our original information will be lost. So we have to make uh, two arrays in which we store these values where the original zeros are. By using row as an array and column as an array, here we are storing the Boolean values. We have to scan the whole matrix. Wherever we find the zeros, we mark its row and column as true. And in the next step, we have to check if the rows of I and the columns of J are true, then we are going to make that cell as 0. The solution scans the matrix twice. So the time complexity is big O of m times n. Thank you.